Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, we're going to be making a box carrying system where you can carry boxes to get some cash. Let's get started. Now, I already did the animations and the decorations for you guys, so you're welcome. So you can go to the description of the video and get the model you need to get started. Once you have the model, you can go to the toolbox and import the model. Let's see. My models and box carrying job starter pack, and it tells you you want to put this tool in the starter pack and you have to press no. Okay, so as you can see, we have a blue part, we have some decorations, and we have the tool itself. So let's make a script under server script service. Let's call it BoxHandler. Let's drag the box tool into the script and let's get started with the scripting. First, we have to get the players service. And we also have to get the box folder, which is under workspace. So workspace, wait for child, and then box folder. There you go. And inside the box folder, we have two different elements. So let's click it and see. So we have the get model and the drop model. So we have to get the drop model first. So box folder, wait for child, drop model. And inside the drop model, we have a part called drop. So we will wait for the drop. We also need the get one. So box folder, wait for child, get model, wait for child, and get. We also have a template box, which is inside our script, which is just called box. And we also want a cooldown variable, and when we start, it's set to false. Let's make a function for giving the player a value called money. So local function join player. Player is the parameter or here, and local folder equals instance.new folder. We are making a new folder inside the player when he joins. And this folder has to be named leader stats. That's just the way it is. And we have to make a value, an int value, a number without decimal points. And we have to name we want to name this money. So money, and money is inside the folder, and the folder is inside the player. There we go. And now let's get the proximity prompt first, which is, when you play a game and it says like E to interact, that's what this proximity prompt is. So when it's triggered, we have a player, and we want to check if this player already has the box inside his inventory, because if he does, we don't want to give him a second one because he has to finish his job first. So if not, player.backpack find first child, template.name. But it's also possible that he has the box equipped, and if he does, the box will be inside his character. So we have to do or and not player.character find first child, template.name. Then local box equals template clone, box.enabled equals true, and box.parent equals player.backpack. When our drop part is touched, we have a part that is called hit. And we want to make sure that this hit part is actually a character. So once we have done that, we can also check. We'll set the cooldown to true, and we will look and see if this character has a player. Players get player from character hit.parent. And if this is a player, because it could also be an NPC, so you have to make sure it's a player. And if it is a player, then we will set the found box to nil or nothing. And if this player has a box tool inside his inventory, we can set the found box to that that box. So find box equals player dot character template dot name. We can just copy this. Sorry, copy, paste, and change the character to backpack. Backpack. And if found box, then if found box dot enabled, then found box dot enabled equals false. And we will unequip the tools of that player. So unequip tools, because we want to unequip it before we destroy it. So, and then we wait 0.1 second. Found box destroy. And player dot leader stats dot money dot value plus equals, and then the reward. I'm gonna set it to $10. We can change this if you want to. So down here, we'll set the task.wait 0.2 and cooldown equals false. And when a new player is added to the game, we want to connect it to the join. And that's the entire BoxHandler script already. And now we have one more script, and it's even smaller. So go inside the box, insert a local script. Let's call this LocalBoxHandler. And let's get the player first. Local player equals game.players.local player. Local character equals player.character, or player.character added wait, because it's not, we are not sure that the character has loaded yet, so we have to wait for it to load. And we will get the humanoid, which is inside the character. We have to wait for it as well. And we have to get the walk speed, because we are going to be using this walk speed. And the animator, which is used to load animations. So humanoid, find first child of class, animator. A local animation equals animator, load animation, script dot parent wait for child box animation, and animation dot priority equals enum animation priority and action. This is very important, because if you don't set it to action, it's not gonna work. The animation is gonna look very choppy and weird. So script.parent.equip, and when it's equipped, we want to play the animation, the box animation, that is, and we will set the walk speed to 12. The starter walk speed is 16, by the way. So script.parent, local function unequipped, and animation stop, and the walk speed will be resetted to what it started as, aka 16. And script.parent unequipped connect unequipped, script.parent destroying connect unequipped. Okay, so that's that script as well. So now we only have to do the animation, and as I said, it's already made. We just gotta make it load in. So let's insert an avatar, rig builder, my avatar. Okay, so now we have an avatar, and let's just click animation editor and just make a new. As you can see, we now have this anim saves inside our rig. So we can drag this box walk into it like this, and we can go down here and click load box walk. And now you can see we have the box walk animation. So click the three dots, click create new. Hello? Let me try again. Oh, sorry, it's publish to Roblox, sorry. Box carry animation. And you can just press this as well. Save. And we got this code. So copy this code. Boom. go and down to your box, find this box animation and paste in the animation ID and click enter. And now we can remove this character, boom, and let's click play. And we'll go over to the boxes and we'll take a box, there we go, and I will walk slowly over to this blue thingy, and as you can see I now got 10 money. Thank you guys very much for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe, leave a comment if you want to, and leave a thumbs up, that's very important. Have a nice day. And we'll take a box, there we go, and I will walk slowly over to this blue thingy, and as you can see I now got 10 money.